So it is said that 90% of traders will lose 90% of their trading capital in 90 days. Why this happens, we'll find out today. Hi everyone, my name is Barbara. You can call me the girl who trades. In today's video, we're going to discuss 7 reasons why most beginners lose their money on the Forex market. Let's get into it. So the first reason why people lose their money is because they don't have the right knowledge and the information to begin with about the Forex market. So trading Forex is like any other venture. You have to invest in knowledge. You have to acquire some level of information, some knowledge about the market, even before you start trading. Without the correct information, you will definitely lose your money. That's very simple. The second reason is that people over risk when they start trading. So they throw all risk management out the window because they see a lot of flipping videos and people are flipping accounts. But if you're over risking, over leveraging your account and putting all your money on the table on one trade, you're most likely going to lose it all if that trade doesn't go in your direction. So if you over risk, as many beginners do, you will lose all your money on the Forex market. The third reason is that a lot of beginners are so emotional about trading. They're emotional when they start trading, and that really makes you lose money. What happens is that most of the time, drawdowns happen when you enter a trade. Sometimes you feel as if the market was waiting for you to enter the trade, and as soon as you entered, it starts retracing, going in the opposite direction. And that's just a manipulation that happens a lot of the times. When that happens, most of the time when people are emotional about their trades, when a retracement is happening, they just panic and then exit. And then as soon as they exit again, then the trade moves in the direction they initially anticipated. So you should learn to detach your emotions from your trades. And one thing that makes that easy is if you're not over risking. So if you know that this trade I have entered, I know I'm going to lose. If it goes against me, the maximum I'm going to lose is this amount, and I'm comfortable with that. That is simple, and that makes you able to detach your emotions from the trade that is going on. So reason number 4 why people lose their money on the Forex market is because they don't have any tried and tested strategy. So a lot of people get on the market and then they keep wavering with strategies. So today they are trading technicals, tomorrow is fundamentals, the next day it's Wyckoff, the next day is smart money, then banking, the bank trading strategy. They just keep wavering. And although all these methods, quarters theory, all these methods can make you money consistently on the market, you just have to stick with 1 or 2 of them and then keep testing it out and be comfortable with how it works, how it makes you money, and you'll be fine. But if you keep changing today, changing the next day, you will never get used to that style of trading, and so you will always lose money if you are trading different styles every day. The next reason is FOMO, fear of missing out. So this happens to a lot of beginner traders. When they see what's happening on the market, they just want to jump in. They want to be part of it because they're going to make money. A perfect example is NFP, the non-farm payroll news, that is released every Friday, the first Friday of every month from the US. What that does is it causes a lot of volatility on the market. And a lot of beginner traders just feel like, oh my God, I could have made so much money. So this every month, every first Friday, they want to jump in. And really, things like news causes a lot of volatility and a lot of manipulations, honestly. So people will jump in, beginners will jump in when they see all the price movement, and then they'll jump in for a buy, and then price will just drop. And then they'll exit and enter a sell, and then price will just move back up. So that's very normal. And those manipulations really cause a lot of beginner traders to lose their money. So don't be afraid that you are going to miss out. Stick with your plan and you won't lose your money. The 6th reason why people lose money on the Forex market is what we call revenge trading. So a lot of people, what happens is that when they lose a couple of trades, they want to make it back. Like they want to get back the money they've lost. And so by what they try to do is to over risk, because they increase their risk because they want to make back what they lost. And when that happens, if you lose that trade that you've now entered, if that trade is also lost, you're just going to lose even more money. So revenge trading is a no-no. If you lose a couple of trades, you can sit off the market for a while, reflect on what you've lost, reflect on the trades, why did it happen, and then you come back another time and get back onto the market. So the last reason why people lose their money, and to me, I think is one of the most important reasons, is that the market is just misbehaving. Really, I always tell people that the market is not your birthright. So sometimes the market just does what it wants to do. Your analysis may be spot on. This may have been something that you've seen happen over and over and over again, but that day you enter the trade and the market decides, nah, it's not going to happen. So that is also a reason why a lot of beginners may lose money. And that happens to all traders, beginners, experts, everybody suffers from that, because the market does what it wants to do. It's not anybody's playing field. When it wants to act a particular way, it will. So sometimes really it's not your fault. You've done everything you're supposed to do, but the market just decides to do what it wants to do. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you've learned something from the top 7 reasons why beginners lose their money on the Forex market. Please let me know in the comments if there's another video you want me to do, and I will get to it. Please like the video, share it with your friends, and do subscribe to the channel, please. Thank you so much for watching the video. Disclaimer, I don't have a Telegram signal page. I'm not on Facebook. I'm not on Twitter. And please, I won't ask you to send me money. There are lots of scammers around. If you have any reason to think I'm the one asking you for money, please always ask for a video call. If you don't see my face, it's not me. Thank you guys so much. And till the next video, is the girl who trades.